I just wanted to give some general tips and tricks and things to keep in mind for female athletes in particular. Something that's really important is just to make sure that you increase your activity gradually, and that's even for the highest level of athletes. For example, if you're in the off season, it's the summer and you're playing soccer in the fall, it's really important to make sure that over the summer you're training appropriately, you're doing the cardiovascular exercises and the strength training, which helps you as you go into the season and really decreases your risk of injuries. And for athletes that are playing more at the recreational level or just being active in their everyday life, it's important not to go from nothing to everything, like to all of a sudden decide I want to run a marathon and then try to run 20 miles the first day. You really need to build up to that, because increasing activity level too quickly can lead to a high risk of injuries. Another thing to consider for female athletes especially is just make sure you have the right equipment, the right shoes, the right gear, because without those things it increases the risk of injury. Additionally, you're the only one that knows exactly how your body feels. So make sure that you are honest with yourself and you're honest with your coaches and the parents and your teammates. If something's bothering you, just make sure to tell people, because everybody has your best interest in mind. And so by addressing issues early, again, you're decreasing the risk of further injuries, and you want to make sure that you're doing everything you can to optimize performance. Other things to consider too, very important, make sure that you're eating appropriately, that you have enough energy coming in for the amount that you're expending. So that includes eating meals regularly and making sure that you have a well-balanced diet, that you're eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner, snacks in between, and a wide variety of foods, because again, being active, playing sports requires a lot of energy. And then finally, make sure that you get enough rest, and that is both including, making sure you build in a day of week where you actually have a rest day and you're not doing any aggressive physical activity, but also making sure that you sleep well at night, because that is the time when your body recovers. It's especially important before games and before a high level of competition, and doing those things is going to improve your performance and decrease the risk of injuries. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us and contact the Loyola Sports Medicine team if you have any questions or if there's anything that we can do to help.